Tuesday's trading plan is locked in. And the market is showing its hand. Now listen, we just closed above a key premium CB, right? Turning it into an inversion favorable gap. And now all eyes are on whether it holds, for a run to a new week opening gap. Right? This could be a perfect setup, but we need confirmation during London session. Will we see the bullish continuation, or is it the deeper pullback coming first? Well, let's break it all down. Now, before we start, if you're serious about trading smart, hit the subscribe button and stay ahead of the game. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Well, first of all, let's anticipate Monday's daily high confirmed, formed above the discount favorably gap, right? And now we are looking at a potential daily close, right? We're currently trading above the weekly favorably gap high, right? So I'm just looking for a potential daily close above the premium favorably gap. Now, if we get that close, right, I want to see if we act as support for Tuesday's what am I saying, intraday trading. Now, there are certain key levels I'm watching, right? We have this bullish order block. Now, if price respects it, right, that's a strong signal for continuation. So you might see a short-term pullback back into the wick of this bullish order block that could also act as my support, right? We have this CB, right, which is now an inversion favorable gap. Now, if buyers step in here, right, we could see a move higher towards that high. I also have now, with these two things here, right, in my disposal, this bullish order block and inversion favorable gap, coupled with that weekly discount favorable gap as well, right, which is now my premium. And I would like to see the upper quadrant act as my support, so meaning the wick and the inversion favorable gap and upper quadrant, we all targeting the high and the new week opening gap. Now, if we do see a rejection, right, I would like to see this bearish order block, especially this bearish order block, right, as my initial pullback draw. This could be the key level to determine if we resume higher or if sellers regain control and push price towards the sell side, right? So Tuesday session will give us a major clue about whether we continue higher or if this was just a liquidity grab before another drop. Now, let's see if it plays out, right? Let's see if it plays out. Drop a comment, man. Are you playing the bullish support zone or watching for a rejection? Now, let's zoom into the 4-hour chart and break it down, my brother. Let's break it down. Break it down, break it down, break it down. To break it down, break it down, break it down. Yeah. Listen, we just saw sell side being swept, right? Clearly. Let me just get a little bit like break it down, break it down, break it down. Right? We just saw sell side liquidity getting swept, right? Even though we didn't take out this low, right? It's lower low on US 100. However, though, on US 500, we did. Let me just show you for a second. So on US 500, what happened? We saw US 500 making that lower low, shipping out this short-term lows, right? This one's to be more exact, right? So that means what, my guy? This is what we call SMT. Let me just point it out for everyone. Yeah, but why am I doing this thing? So we have SMT, right? Smart money technique. We have divergence, a strong indication that price may not need to what to revisit these lows, right? Now, with the daily time frame confluence, my focus is on the higher time frame PDRAs aligning together with the 4-hour PDRAs, right, for a potential continuation way towards the buy side, right? Now, on the 4-hour chart, what am I looking at? I'm looking at this two consecutive down close candles, which are what, bullish order blocks, right? Another key level I want to see hold. What else do we have? We have this inversion fair value gap, liquidity pocket that could be a reason like for a rejection, right? It's very hidden, but we see you, we see you, right? We see you now. And we also have a what? So meaning I don't need to see this making a lower low, right? So this could still be my bullish breaker as well. So we have a bullish breaker, two consecutive down close candles, which is what, a bullish order block, and an inversion fair value gap coupled with the weekly fair value gap. So there is just a lot of PDRAs, man, to get one. So hey, hey, it's gonna be crazy. So now what's next? Now it's all about watching London sessions price action, right? If we see a rejection at those key levels that are pointed out, right, that means I'll be looking for continuation towards the I'll be looking to target those higher liquidity levels, if I may say, right? So many PDRAs to eat from, right? So let's see how the market plays out tomorrow. But my target is the new week opening gap and probably this high. And if we do trade towards that premium weekly fair value gap, it will be this relative equal highs, right? Those will be my initial draw on liquidity. But for now, it's the new week opening gap and this swing high here. But with this rejection, I would like to see how we trade around Monday and the pre-market, and most importantly, the opening range 9:30 until 10, the first 30 minutes right after the opening bell. Now, as you drop down to the early time frame, things get even more refined. Now, today my focus was on where the price could close above the premium CB, which is this one, right? And we actually did see that happen, which is now acting as what, my inversion fair value gap. You see that rejection there? Beautiful. And guess what? We got that close, my nigga. We got that close. We got that close. Now I want to see if this level holds as support and give us a run towards the new week opening gap and probably the short term high and that high as well. Right. Now if it does, that will be further confirmation that buyers are in control. And if price fails right to hold, I'll be watching for signals of a deeper pullback. But now for now, the bullish case remains intact, money. It remains intact. Everything is pointing to the right direction, right? London session should give us some more clarity. Let's see if we get a clean continuation or if we get a deeper retracement first. So stay sharp, my guys. Stay sharp. Stay sharp. Stay sharp. Stay sharp. Stay sharp. Now, this was just something short. I think I'm gonna be doing this the whole week. London session should give us clarity, but then this is something that I'm planning to do the whole week. This is like an entire series whereby I do a pre and post reviews. But with that, I think I've shared everything. Let's wait and see, right? Cheers, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget. Cheers.